What's up, everyone? We're here again to talk about marketing success with stories on social media. Our lesson for today is all about marketing with stories on Facebook. So, what are Facebook stories? Facebook stories are like another newsfeed of Facebook, except that it relies more on visual content than text and is not permanent. They are photos and short video segments that are put together in a collection. Facebook stories can be shared to your Facebook friends or shared in Messenger to a specific group of people or an individual you want to share it with. Like Snapchat and Instagram, it has a 24-hour lifespan before it disappears. You can keep the stories to your story archive after 24 hours. It has camera effect features like face filters, and it has a Facebook Live where you can go live so friends can watch what you are showing them at the very moment. And Facebook has a new feature called Page Story. As Facebook defines this, page stories allow you to share content that represents your brand or business directly from your mobile device. While there are some differences, page stories are a way to engage your audience in a more frequent, authentic, and casual way to develop deeper connections. Now, to make use of Facebook stories for marketing or business purposes, you should first use a page story. If you have your own page for your business, maximize what you can do with it and gather every opportunity you can get to market your product. To make a story on your page, open your Facebook account on your mobile device, then click a page you handle. Scroll until you see your story panel in your page feed and click the plus icon to add a story. Facebook accounts have only limited friends list, which is up to 5,000 only, while Facebook pages can reach thousands and even millions of likers, and this is a great opportunity to market your product into a wider audience. Get personal and let customers see behind the scenes that is happening in your workplace. Make them feel like they have a VIP access to your company. See the image, for example, where a well-known actress is photographed while filming an interview. Make announcements. Give your viewers something to watch out for by making early announcements on what's to come in your business, like this image where Shopee announces that they're going live for a certain date and even attaching a picture of their special guest. Show limited sales and discounts. Customers dig in for special offers like this. When they see the word discount or sale, especially in a product they want to buy, it catches their attention, making them find out more about the limited offer. Here is Lazada flashing a big sale word to catch the viewer's attention. Be brand focused. If you're using Facebook Story to market your business, features like face filters and stickers can be overwhelming to use and might leave you using too much that it makes your visual content unclear. Add filters and stickers that only relates to your current posting that does not take away the essence of your brand's image. Host engaging contests. Use Facebook Live and wait for your viewers who will join your contest. Or tell viewers that you will be having a contest in your website by announcing it to your Facebook story, like what Shopee did in this sample image I have shown here. Let them get to know you as a person too that they can acquaint with. Delight your viewers through content that appeals to them, like celebrating how many followers you now have because of them, or celebrating a national or worldwide event with them, just like the examples in these photos. Last is to track your FB story performance. You can do this by going to your business page. At the top row of the screen of your Facebook page, click the Insights, then click Stories located at the left column of your screen, then click the Turn On button to see the insights of your Facebook story. Facebook is one of the most used social media platforms and has the most users, so use this helpful information in promoting you and your business. That is all for Marketing with Stories on Facebook. Thank you for watching.